How to update Instagram on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can update Instagram on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, all you have to do is you have to open up Play Store in your Android device and tap on the search icon from the menu bar at the bottom, and in the search bar you have to search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram, and if the update is available, you will find update button where I have open. So all you have to do is tap on update button, then the application will get updated. You have to wait for a while. Once the update is complete, now you have the updated version of Instagram application in your device. So that's it. That's how you can update Instagram on Android device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.